Hi everyone, hope everyone is doing fine today. Here is Abdul, and today we have another unboxing, and this time, again, another watch from Christopher Ward. They've been doing great stuff. They sent me this watch to test out and then send it back. So this is the eco-friendly packaging, luxury packaging as they call it. And I think it's quite good. Wood with some leather. And what we have here, as you can see, the 12. So which 12 did we get to test out? I have here the instruction manual, colors that we have, the specs will go on later on, and then of course the movement, we'll see everything live. But you get this instruction manual, you get also a signed warranty card, 60-month warranty. I think they have 60 days guarantee also if you want to send the watch back. But here is the watch that I was sent to test out, the Glacier Blue, the 12. So let's get, so this part might be also useful to put it inside. So get this wrapping off, and anyways have to size it. So what do we get? We get the, like I said, the 12 Christopher Ward with the Glacier Blue 3D stamped dial. So you get a marine grade stainless steel case and bracelet. You get a 40 millimeter in diameter. You get around 40. So if we go lug to lug, because we have a male lug and a male lug. So we have 44.5 for the male lug, because it will protrude out. As you can see, it's not the end of the case, it's not the lug end. You have a Serita SW200 Elaborate movement. I'm sorry, it's not catching. We have, like I said, the Serita SW200 with a date on the 6 o'clock. Sorry, I was mesmerized in the dial because it looks really nice in real life. I hope the camera catches it well. You have hand winding, you have hacking, you can change the time as you can see, and then the date will change. Let's see, the date almost instantaneous. And you have automatic, you have Swiss made at 6 o'clock. And let me get the lamp so we can see the lume. So we have, I think it's Superluminova X1BLC1 Superluminova on the hands and on the indices. As you can see, polished, finished with brushed finishes combination. You have a screw down crown, 100 meters water resistant, 38 hours power reserve for this movement, and the anti-shock system as well. So this watch costs 1,350 euros, and it has even crown guards, as you can see from both sides, embossed crown. I'm wearing my the Nomadic. I also have on loan. I'll be doing the review this weekend. So let's see, how many do we need to take out? I think need to take out, oh, I don't need to take out that much, so maybe I'll pause and take this. Oh, it goes off. So easier than I thought. So let's see if this closes exactly my size. As you can see, Christopher Ward, I am 17.1 centimeter wrist, so I have a 17.1 centimeter, and I like the watch to be a little bit snug like that, so it doesn't move. From the side, the case, from the back, yeah, it looks really, really nice, I have to say. Really, really attractive dial. I look if the rest of the links are there, because maybe I'll need a link, because there are no micro adjustments. And as you can see here, the movement, really nice, well done as well. So this is about it for the unboxing of the 12 Glacier Blue from Christopher Ward. If you have any questions about this watch or any other watch, leave them in the comment section. And as always, this is an invitation to like, subscribe, and let me know if you have any suggestions about new videos, new formats. Leave them in the comment section as well. Don't forget to subscribe. The subscriber button will be in the middle, and you'll find videos on the left and on the right side that might interest you as well. See you in the next one. Bye bye.